Hello students, welcome to class 7. Our new topic is that court and their importance. Last we had a story of a washerman and a king. Washerman's wife went to court to seek the justice and king gave the verdict that whatever punishment you can give to her queen in return of the life of the husband. Dear students, today's topic is importance of the court. Many a times we feel that we got injustice. So we should go to the court and seek the justice. This is the picture of goddess's justice. In one hand, balance is there, and one hand, sword is there. This idol is symbolized about the justice for all. The sword symbolizes that punishment, and the scale in the hand of idol is symbolizing that it is a balanced. And goddesses of justice is a blindfold because the justice is blind. Those who have not done anything, they should not got any injustice in our society. That is the true motto of justice. That is why our government has set up lot of courts in the local level, taluka level, district level, state level, and the highest court is the Supreme Court of India. Our country is a democratic. The judiciary of our country is independent and unbiased. Unbiased means without any bias of caste, creed, and religion. Those who do not abide by the law are considered as criminals. The definition of criminal is that if you done something wrong and you have not followed the law, then you will consider as the criminals. Such criminals deprive the people of their rights. They are looting the rights of the people. That is why court is set up. Many a times we are not aware about our rights. So dear students, we should be aware about our rights. And country is always benefiting the judiciary level at all the points, taluka, district and state level. There are three levels: taluka court, district court, and state level court is called the high courts. Judgment are passed on civil cases as well as criminal cases. Even when you drive a vehicles, we have to follow certain motor vehicles rules. We have to follow the license procedure. We have to follow the PUC system. We have to follow the driving license, insurance paper, everything we should keep it as. Even wearing helmet is also a compulsory, but hardly we people are try to implementing it. That is the pity of our society. The judiciary to function quickly and inexpensively is the main important things of it. That is why Lok Adalat has been put up into the practice. There will be a question in your mind, what is Lok Adalat? It is the public's Adalat, where committee members will gather, arrive and give a fast justice, equal justice and fast to all the members. So it is inexpensive. People can get the justice very quickly there. Then afterwards, one chart is given. High court is the highest in the state. Then very next comes district court. Then comes taluka court. Taluka is the smallest court function in our judiciary. Then we go is higher for the district level. Then we go for the high court level at the state. During the state level, High Court is the highest, and in the nation level, Supreme Court is the highest function. Next session, we shall talk more about this. Till then, I remain here. Thank you, friends.